What are you going to teach us?
Well, I need to MacGyver my seat.
Oh, okay.
Because I feel like this is definitely one for YouTube.
A show and tell. Okay,
Yeah.
I will try and describe what Kelly's doing. Okay, she's about to lie down on the chair.
I'm MacGyvering my
Oh, okay. She's now got the back to the camera because she's going to try and show
I've
it
still got the mic
from
in
the
front
back.
of my mouth. Yeah, because for short hair, I'll explain afterwards.
Why don't I explain it?
Well, explain. For short hair, it is so hard to do a bun without getting little spindlies down the bottom.
I still have a mullet and my hair's like
Exactly.
longer than yours now.
I've hacked the system,
It drives me insane. Oh, what?
Okay.
I can't describe. I've got to pay attention.
You do a half up, half down, except mainly half up.
Yeah, it's 2/3
near
up.
the bottom.
Yep.
And then you do
Further down than the crown, but not the nape.
like a little, what's it called when you do like a little half bun thing?
You like a loopy.
Like
thingy.
a loopy.
I don't know.
You're doing a ponytail, but then at the end you loop it, the hair tie
like
over
that's
to
all I
secure
ever
it
do
in
in my hair.
place.
Yes.
Okay. Because usually then all of these bits come out.
Oh,
I don't have the bobby pins that I do require.
I do.
Please
I'm
pass them.
taking them out of my hair. Also, I went to Hair House Warehouse yesterday and bought bobby pins that actually hold.
Oh God, if you talk about bobby pins,
Hang on, I've lost the other. Is one okay?
No, I need at least two, please.
Oh, sugar.
So it does require
Okay.
one hair tie, two
This is
bobby
very
pins.
on the fly, isn't it? Hang on. Oh no! I don't have it. I'm so close to just needing one. Sorry.
Oh no, don't worry about it then. I will just show you because I will show you with one side.
Okay, good.
Then you get it.
Everyone must watch on
What
YouTube.
is down the bottom leftover hair? The really short hairs that usually just end up coming out like a mullet.
So like Pippi Longstocking's pigtails, but just the
You
the nape
separate
of
it.
your neck.
You wrap then half around half of the bun.
Hang
Sorry.
on.
You wrap half of your hair around the bun
That wouldn't work for me.
and pin it into place.
oh wow.
And then you do the other half and then pin that into place.
I must find you a bobby pin. Please hold.
But you can see what I mean. I'm just holding it into place.
Okay, and it looks like an effortless.
But it's a bun.
I
and it is
know.
not the sort of bun that people think that they can do when they've got short hair
Yes.
because you end up with little bits.
Because
It
I've
is-
only been able to do the loopy loop thing for ages.
Yep,
I don't know if that would work on me though.
it would.
No, because my mullet bits. Anyway, that was very cool. Did you invent that?
No.
Oh.
I saw it on one of the apps. Oh.
I can't wait for them to make this clip into a social.
Look at me in my George.
I know. That was very cool. Well, on that note,
No, I came across it because I was looking for a hack for,
did you just think about it and it came up? You know how the
Yeah,
algorithm
sometimes.
does that?
Yep.
Yes.
sometimes.